Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 amplifiers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best amplifiers. The 5th product on our list is the Cambridge Audio Azur DacMagic Plus. Using the Cambridge Audio Azur DacMagic Plus is a great way to boost your digital signal. This amplifier is a new model that sits above other models in specs and price. To get started, all you have to do is plug it in to get it running at full output. It features a volume control that can work as a digital preamp or headphone amp on its front points. DacMagic Plus accepts high-resolution audio. This means you can perform a wireless playback when you add the BT100 Bluetooth dongle or any other Bluetooth device that supports aptX codec. A rare quality that this amplifier has is its ability to accept 24 bits per 192 kHz via its USB input. This device is versatile. It provides optical outputs, XLR outputs, digital coaxial, balanced XLR, RCA outputs, and twin digital coaxial and optical outputs. You are also given several phase mode choices to experiment with. You can choose a steep filter mode, linear phase, and minimum phase. However, the DacMagic Plus amplifier does not have a remote control. Still, this device produces the best performance for a digital and analog converter. Weighing about 2.64 pounds, this amplifier is completely immune to even the slightest jitter or distortion. Overall, this amplifier is leaner, cleaner, and warm sounding. Its pros are: it offers a balanced output, it is versatile, and its sound is fast, subtle, and detailed. However, the cons are: it lacks dynamic power, and it does not have a remote control. Cambridge Audio Azur DacMagic is a great amplifier for individuals who want a digital to analog converter with astounding technical performance. Up next in the 4th place is the Marantz PM7000N. Everything you need is here in one single attractive unit. It is the solution to your streaming issues. It includes high-end technologies like D&M's HEOS. You can use this device to act as the endpoint for streaming services like Amazon Prime Music, Pandora, Spotify, and Tidal. Marantz PM7000N does not only provide support for sources that can integrate with the HEOS ecosystem, it also supports devices with Bluetooth and AirPlay 2 features. You can conveniently integrate your Apple Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa with this device for smart home control. Marantz PM7000N doesn't just limit you to only network sources. It features 3 analog inputs for legacy devices like CD players. It also features a USB Type-A input that lets this device function as a digital to analog converter for any Mac or PC. Moreover, it outputs a high-quality phono stage for vinyl lovers. To ensure that the signal path is simplified, PM7000N has an integrated field effect transistor that increases efficiency. Courtesy of Marantz PM7000N 3-line OLED display, you don't have to use your smartphone to read the lyrics. You can read your songs or text on the unit display. Finally, with a 6.3mm headphone jack, balanced tone, smaller bass, and treble knobs, this old-school amplifier is aesthetically pleasing. Its pros are: it works with smart home control devices, it can be integrated with solid streaming platforms, and it produces big, bold, and energetic quality sound. However, its on-unit buttons are plasticky. If you need an amplifier, a streaming solution, digital to analog converter, and preamp, then Marantz PM7000N is the best solution for you. It has all these components in one. Still haven't found an amplifier that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Denon PM700N stereo integrated amplifier. This classically sized amplifier with a wide design is built to house many controls on the front. It consists of an analog mode, volume bass, source direct, input selection, speaker selection, treble, and cartridge selection. Denon PM700N produces a reasonably defined yet neutral sound leaning to the warm side of the tonal spectrum. You can totally get lost while listening because its soundstage is welcoming and wide. With a power output of 50 watts, this unit houses several inputs and output ports. This amplifier is built for sound. Its chassis is made with a rigid steel plate, capable of supporting the power transformer. Moreover, it produces a smooth and well-rounded sound when using its digital circuit. But you can also switch off the circuit for a purer sound. If you own a turntable, this unit can provide you with the most distortion-free and realistic sound when you switch to analog mode. You can connect different types of sources to this flexible unit. Denon PM700N is compatible with both moving coil cartridges and moving magnets, and it works with all record deck types. You can truly experience both analog and digital with this amplifier. Its pros are: this unit produces a fantastic sound quality. It's compatible with both analog and digital source, and it has a well-equipped remote control. However, it does not have a coaxial output. With the Denon PM700N, you can hear your music system at its best. If you want a unit that can connect to both analog and digital sources, you have found the right one for you. The second product on our list is the Sonos Versatile Amplifier. This unit is a minimalistic black box that is designed with a semi-matte surface. Measuring 2.52 by 8.54 by 8.54 inches and weighing about 4.63 pounds, the Sonos Versatile Amplifier is a great piece of gear everyone needs. Internally, it has a Class D amplifier that delivers 125 watts per channel. That's why this unit is only compatible with speakers with 125 watts or at least 200 watts of power rating. Anything less than that shouldn't be used with this amplifier. At the back of the Sonos Versatile Amplifier, you will find a subwoofer output, a stereo analog input, 2 pairs of speaker terminals, and Ethernet sockets. One interesting feature of this amplifier is its dual mono mode. It allows the device to produce the same sound to 2 different speakers. On the other hand, the HDMI input, AirPlay support, and various configurations and custom control settings makes this amplifier one of the most flexible and powerful audio systems available. Moreover, you can control it with Google Assistant and Alexa. You can also connect it to any analog or digital source. You can use it in home theater setups too. It can do all these easily and more. Sonos Versatile Amplifier is a plug-and-play device. Setting the device up is simple. All you need to do is plug it in and then download its app. This unit does not come with a remote, but you can control it using its app. Its pros are: you can connect it to a TV. It is compatible with different sources, both analog and digital, and it works with smart home control systems. However, the cons are: building a 4.1 surround system for movies and TV will add at least $997 to your tab, and Sonos has no interest in supporting high-resolution audio. Nonetheless, Sonos Versatile Amplifier is suitable for you if you need a flexible wireless amplifier to power all your entertainment devices. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top amplifier is the Yamaha A-S801SL. This amplifier definitely earned many points with audiophiles and has our top position. This unit is simple, elegant, and powerful, from its anti-resonance double chassis design to its sturdy construction. Yamaha A-S801SL features an internal digital-to-analog converter that uses an ESS technology to play PCM files of up to 32-bit, giving you the best of both digital and analog worlds. It has 3 digital inputs, a coaxial connector, asynchronous 2.0 USB, and an optical Toslink connector. You can also connect your smartphone using aptX Bluetooth connectivity. If your device doesn't support aptX, you can connect it to the amplifier wirelessly. The AS801SL has 5 analog inputs and a single line-level output jack and digital input connectors. This unit features an analog loudness control that allows you to choose the loudness effect you desire on the front panel. This control is different from the overall volume button that controls the volume level. The loudness control works to balance the high and low frequencies, thereby producing a full tonal range whenever a volume level is tuned. Yamaha AS801SL has a rotary encoder that makes it easy to control and easily switch sources, even in a dark room. Finally, you can connect a phono cartridge turntable to play your vinyl records or listen to any recording from a digital source. Its pros are: it supports CD direct amplification, it features an auto power standby function, and it has an original jitter elimination function. However, the cons are: its tone controls are plastic, and its auto power sometimes turns itself off when in use. Still, Yamaha AS801SL is your best solution if you want an amplifier that performs flawlessly when connected to an analog or digital source. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.